they make sense, so everything I do, I'm on a nonsense, so everywhere I go, I'm on a halfway, oh God, I don't lose my brain, and nobody fit tell my story. I'm lost, I'm trying to find my way. Child. Oh God, I don't lose my brain, and nobody fit tell my story. I'm lost, I'm trying to find my way. Help me please, oh. I wanna find my way back to you. I wanna find my way. I wanna find my way.
Where have you been? I've been looking for you everywhere. I was about going out in search of you. Where did you go to?
I went to see my friend.
Your friend? Who?
Abigail.
Who is that? Oh, the mad woman. Just saying. I've told you to stop going to that woman. She's dangerous. She can harm you.
Mom, she's my friend and she can never harm me.
Just saying. She is a mad woman. She can actually hurt you. You need to be careful.
Mom, she's my friend. She can never...
Just say, please stop. Stop arguing with me.
What's the problem? So, what is happening to my beautiful wife?
I am worried about our son, Jason.
Worried about Jason? Why?
Currently, he's mad at me.
Our son, Jason. mad at you. For what?
Justin is not happy that I'm stopping him from going to see that mad woman.
The one he calls his friend, right?
Yes. Honey, this is not a laughing matter. I'm being very serious. The way our son goes to her, it's making me uncomfortable. I'm not comfortable with it. Like, I am not.
Well, I don't think she's a threat to our son. It's true she's mad, but she doesn't have capacity to hurt our son.
Honey, that woman is mad. I mean, M-A-D in capital letter. She is mad.
Yeah, you're right. She's mad. Yeah. It's okay. I understand. It's okay. A little caution will not be bad, okay? Just to make sure our son stays far away from her.
But I know you're talking. Then you need to talk to him.
You worry about little things that are not necessary. But that's nothing to worry about. Huh?
Talk to Justin.
Like I said, I'm rushing out so I could come back for dinner.
We need to talk
That's
to
my
him.
beautiful baby. I'll be seeing you shortly.
It's okay, baby.
Alright.
See you soon. Okay, ready? Justin? Okay. I'm sorry for yelling at you.
Mom, I overheard you saying that you're going to give some of your old clothes out. Maybe you can give some to Abigail.
Oh no, it's not possible. I can't have a mad woman putting on my clothes.
But is she not human?
Justin, the answer is no. I cannot have a mad woman putting on my clothes. Justin, come back here.
Auntie Abigail, I brought you some clothes. I hope you like them. Auntie Abigail, I brought you some insect. Sorry,
Yes! Abigail! I made it! I passed my papers. This is my JAMB results. I passed my papers. I'll be going to the university. Are you not happy about it? See now, I passed my papers. My JAMB result. I'll be going to the university. What happened? You're not happy?
I can always give it up to you
I'm happy you love it.
when it comes to these delicacies. And I know that after this one, the next thing will be
Is that how you see me now?
Yahweh now.
No, honey, enjoy your meal.
Yeah.
Mom! Dad, I made it! Oh God! I made it! I made it! This is my results. Oh yes!
Wow. This is good. This calls for celebration.
Yes, Mom, I passed my job.
Come here,
Oh,
son.
thank you, Mom. Oh, thank you, Mommy. Thank
I'm proud
you.
of you.
Oh, thank you so much. Now I'll always
This
remember. Yes, Dad.
This is good. I'm going to celebrate you.
Thank you so much, Dad. I trust you. So I'm going to the university. Oh, thank God.
Yes, I'll celebrate.
Immediately.
Where's my food? Let me have my food. Dad, give it to me. Just give me. Oh, come on, Dad.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Oh, where's my food?
Get a plate.
Okay.
Let him go and leave this house. Let him go to the school.
I'm so proud of you. Son? What's going on? You are not happy.
Mom, Abigail is not happy. She's not happy that I'm leaving.
You mean the mad woman?
Mom, she's not a mad woman. I've told you this before. She's my friend. Ever since I told her that I'm traveling to get educated, she started acting up. And I don't like seeing her sad, Mom.
She should know that normal people go to school. Unlike her, he's mad.
Mom, do you know I don't like the way you talk about her? I don't like it, Mom. You need to take it easy. I brought some money for you. I know you'll be needing it. Huh? Let me keep it for you. Oh, why did you have to open it now? You use it for your tea. Let me keep it for you. Sorry, it's okay. But you don't have to waste it like this. It's yours. I'm not... Let me just be with you. Give me some. You don't have to open this now. You're wasting it. Listen, I'll be coming time to time to check up on you. Alright? I'll miss you, Abigail. Don't eat it. It's take this one. Mom, be fast. Dad is waiting.
You sad?
Oh yeah, I'm set. Oh, let's go.
Where's your dad?
He's outside.
Oh, okay.
Mom, can I ask you for a favor?
Okay, if it's what I can do.
Of course you can, Mom. Mom, I want you to take good care of that woman for me. Please.
You mean the mad woman?
Oh, come on, Mom. I told you already she's not mad.
Fine.
Mom, please. I need you to give me your word that you would take good care of her for me. Please.
Wait, I'm not promising anything.
Oh, Mom, please now. This is something you can just do for me. Please, Mom, so I'll be fine.
It's fine.
Thank you. You know you're the best mom in the world,
We
right?
leave now for
yes.
the late.
Hey, you are! Love you, Mom.
I feel connected whenever you're around me, 'cause something stays inside me, and I feel this love around me. I feel connected whenever you're around me, 'cause something stays inside me. I feel this love around me. Something keeps on drawing me close to you. Oh, you are like my morning sunshine, my evening moonlight. There's something strange about you. Oh, you are like my morning sunshine, my evening moonlight. There's something strange about you. I feel connected whenever you're around me, 'cause something stirs inside me, and I feel this love around me. I feel connected whenever you're around me, 'cause something stirs inside me. I feel this love around me. Something keeps on drawing me close to you. It's strong in my heart, and I don't know why. I always find myself thinking about you. Don't know why, but I know in my heart. Oh, you are like my morning sunshine, my evening moonlight. There's something strange about you. Oh, you are like my morning sunshine, my evening moonlight. There's something strange about you. Oh, I feel connected whenever you're around me, 'cause something stays inside me, and I feel this love around me. I feel connected whenever you're around me, 'cause something stays inside me. I feel this love around me. I feel connected whenever you're around me, 'cause something stays inside me, and I feel this love around me. I feel connected whenever you're around me, 'cause something stays inside me. I feel this love around me. Something keeps on drawing me close to you. It's strong in my heart, and I don't know why. I always find myself thinking about you. Don't know why, but I know in my heart. Oh, you are like my morning sunshine.
Who do we have here? My son is back! Oh my God.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Oh, good to see you, man.
How was your trip?
It was fine.
You're welcome.
Oh, Dad!
Yes.
Your son is here.
As if I knew you were going to come, and I was waiting for you. Glad to see you.
Good to see
We have a gadget now.
You're now a man.
Yes, Dad.
Oh, yes.
Thank you.
It was good for you. Look at you.
Thank you.
Okay, as if I know you are coming.
Oh, really?
Lunch is ready.
You're back to share my food
Oh,
again.
come on, Dad.
All right.
I'll be right back, please. Just 1 minute.
Where's the going to?
I don't know. This boy.
How are you? That's my car. So I brought it to show you. Huh? Anywhere you want to go in this town, I will take you. I will drive you around. Alright? It's alright. That's my car key. Do you want me to teach you how to drive? If you want, I can do that for you. I just want you to be happy, alright? No, you don't have to eat it. No. Don't. Abigail, that's a car key. Do you want to get it spoiled? Huh? It's fine. So tell me, what do you want? I should take you around? Let me get a car key.
Oh, Jesse, my mom. Good morning. How are your coffee?
Thanks for the coffee, bro.
Jason, come on, why are you moody? What's going on?
Just here. There is this mad woman I knew while growing up as a child. I wish to help her out of that situation, but I don't know how to go about it. She's so dear to me. Someone there is so much important to me.
Wait, a mad woman?
Yes.
Are you kidding me?
A mad woman. You don't get it. She's not just a mad woman. Dozie, I like her a lot. I mean, I feel safe whenever I'm around her. Not just that. Each time I sleep, I see her in my dreams. I see myself trying to help her out of the situation. But I don't know how to go about it. I'm worried.
There is nothing you can do for a mad woman.
There is something I can do, Dozie. There is something I can do.
Hold on. My good friend, a businessman, on a Monday morning thinking about a mad woman. Wow, it's an interesting story.
What line of my sentence don't you understand? She is not just a mad woman.
Are you serious? You must be joking. My friend, take your coffee. What I say, a mad woman.
Welcome.
How are you?
I'm fine. How was your day, babe?
Just fine. How about yours?
Was okay. I missed you.
Oh, no one missed you.
Okay, sit down while I go get you something to eat, okay?
Hey. I have made up my mind to help that woman.
The mad lady.
Come on, babe. You promised not to ever address her as a mad woman. I want you to call her by her name, which is Abigail.
Okay, Abigail.
Thank you. Babe.
What?
I want to take her to a proper hospital for her to receive treatment. I just want her to be happy again.
Babe, she's been mad for years.
I know. I am ready to do anything just to make her smile normally as a woman. Listen, I'm ready to do anything for her. I don't even know why I'm doing this, but I have to. I need your support, please.
Okay, now I'll always support you.
Thank you. Come here.
Abigail, stop!
Away!
What's going on?
Away!
It's fine. It's going
Away! Away! Away!
Babe,
Yes, babe.
I want to move her to your hospital by weekend.
Have you been able to talk to her about this?
Not really. She got into a fight with someone and they've been troubling her. So I think it's best for me to just take her out of that place. Babe, I'm counting on you. You're one of the best psychiatrists we have in this town. I want you to help me.
Okay. I'll try my best, but you have to go talk to her.
I don't even need to talk to her. If she doesn't want to come with me, I will send people to bundle her out of that place to your side. All I want is the best for her.
No, babe. Just go there yourself and talk to her. She listens to you.
You're the only one that can convince her to come. Okay, babe?
Abigail, you know I want the best for you. I mean well for you. I am no longer comfortable with you staying here like this. People will always come to harass you and I don't like it. Listen, I want to take you out of this place. I want to take you to a place where you'll be properly taken care of. Alright? All I want you to do is for you to give me your consent that if anyone comes to pick you out of this place, I don't need you to fight them or create a scene with them, alright? Listen, I just want the best for you, Abigail. Please. It's not like I'm saying you're not fine though, but you know, I just want you to be okay. Hey, Abigail, I'm talking to you. Abigail. Do you even understand what I'm saying?
Hold her legs. Hold her, make sure she's stable.
My love,
Yes, baby.
you're the best gift life has given to me, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you for coming into my life. Who is that?
Nurse Jennifer.
What?
Hello, Nurse Jennifer. Oh, okay, we'll be right there.
What?
Babe, she said Abigail is restless in the hospital and she's disturbing the whole place.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Alright.
Let's
Get.
go. Let's go then.
Please get him.
Okay, baby. She's not stable now, but she'll be. People like how we move from other environments to this facility, they tend to behave that way. So not to worry, she'll be fine.
I don't understand. Can you just break it down for me?
It's called withdrawal syndrome. It's a phase, it will pass.
Face. Are you sure this is going to pass?
Of course. You have nothing to worry about. She'll be fine.
Honey, listen, I think I shouldn't have taken her out of her environment. I feel this whole thing wouldn't have happened.
That's not a wise thing to say, babe. You've decided to help this woman, just help her to the end, okay?
I'm just confused right now.
You don't have to be confused, babe. She'll be fine.
You sure?
Yes. So much. Babe, why are you not sleeping yet?
Tell me, how do I sleep? When she's not getting better? How?
She'll get better. She's in best hands now. She'll get better.
I feel we are not doing enough. I feel my best is not enough. Honestly, I won't forgive myself if anything happens to her.
Babe, stop being negative. Nothing will happen to her. She'll be fine. You worry too much.
I I just pray. I just pray nothing goes wrong.
Nothing will go wrong. Let's go inside.
Alright, just go. I'll be fine.
Let's go, babe. Let's go inside. You need to sleep. Let's go. Come.
I was worried when you called me. What's the problem? Oh, you mean she's not getting any better?
Dozier, her condition is getting worse by the day. My fiancé is even trying so much to see if she's going to get better. But the fact is that she's not responding to treatment.
Ha! God, so what are we going to do now? What's the solution?
Dozier, I caused it all. I mean, it's my fault. If I had known that this whole thing is going to get to this point, I wouldn't have taken her out of her environment. Like, I am so mad at myself right now.
Okay, see what will happen. You don't have to blame yourself for this. You are trying to help her like you said. So come on, you don't have to blame yourself.
Excuse me.
Okay.
Hello? Yes, babe, what's up? What? You mean I should come to the hospital right now? Okay, I'll be there immediately. Just
what is it?
I need to go and meet my fiancé at the hospital. There's something for that.
Okay.
Do you want to come with me?
Let's go now. There's no time.
I don't know, I'm just confused at this point.
Okay, do you know what? It's fine. Can I donate my blood?
No, babe.
But listen, you can just have me tested. If it matches with hers, let's do it. I can do anything to save my life at this moment, alright? Please. Babe, just do this for me. Let's go to the lab, please.
How far? Any news?
The thing is that I had to donate my blood for her. And I'm waiting for the doctor.
Okay, good. So what next?
No, just... What's up?
Finally, she's alright. You saved her life.
Oh, thank God. Thank you.
Wow. Thank you so much for that.
Yes, thank you.
Let me see. Okay, alright. Honey, how is she?
She's stable now, as you can see.
That's great. I hope she's responding to treatment.
Yes, she is. Okay, from the scan we did on her, she suffered from the knock on the head.
Oh my goodness. Are you serious?
Yes. And that's why I'm confident we can handle this case. If it were hereditary, it would have been so difficult for us to handle. So I'm glad we can actually handle her now.
Now, please, you need to put an eye on her, alright? Her safety is my concern right now.
Yeah. Babe, I'll see you later, okay?
Alright, honey, thank you. Abigail, you're going to be fine, alright?
Yes, babe! Oh, come on,
Baby, we did it!
I'm so happy, honestly. We both did it.
Yeah, we did it, babe.
You know, this has been my desire right from childhood. I wanted her to be well.
Yeah.
And to God be the glory, she's fine right now.
I know that, right? You know, because you donated blood to her, she's perfectly fine.
It's okay.
But if you were not there to donate the blood...
But I don't mind. I just wanted her to be fine. And to God be the glory that He brought one of the best psychiatrists into my life. Yeah. You are the best.
I know.
Come
that.
here.
I love you. Mwah. Mwah.
Love you so much. welcome to my home, little boy. Oh yeah. This is my home. Henceforth, you're going to be living with us. Alright? I hope you like this place.
I like it.
Honey, please take care of her. Come on, sit down.
No, sit down. Yeah. She just came out from spa and her nails get her nails done. So please let me take her to the room, I beg. Let's go.
Alright. Good to have you in my home.
Wait, you mean the woman is now living with you in your house?
Of course she is, bro. And I'm happy about that.
And your woman doesn't have any issues with that?
Why would she have issue with it? Tell me why. Listen, let me tell you something. My woman, she understands me. As a matter of fact, she respects my decision. What more can I ask of, bro? I am the lucky man in the world to have her.
I'm telling you.
I can't even wait to spend the rest of my life with her, bro.
You are very lucky, my man. I'm telling you. And I'm happy for you. Come on.
Dossier, my man.
This is surprising.
So tell me, how is it? Abigail, how are you?
I'm fine.
You're looking bright this morning. How was your night?
I was very fine.
I like to see those smiles on your face. Anyway, my fiancé made something for you. Should I get for you?
Yes.
Good to see you like this. Abigail, it's time for you to meet with my parents.
Your parents?
Yeah. And I told them how God used me to heal you. And they were so excited. And are looking forward to seeing you.
Is it your mother?
Not just my mother. My dad as well. I know you haven't met with my father. So I think it's time for you to meet with him.
He's a bad man. He's a bad man.
Why did you say that? My dad is not a bad man. Alright? You will like him when you meet him.
I can't wait.
Oh yeah.
Wow, son.
Mom.
How are you? Good to see you.
Yeah. Abigail.
Abigail, how are you?
I'm fine.
Please, make yourself comfortable, please. Sit down. Please sit. Good to see you, son.
Yeah, good to see you too, Mom.
You made it.
Oh, I'd rather say Linda made it. My saving grace.
I've always known she would be a good person, and you made the right choice, having her by your side. Thank you for being a good soul, darling.
Thank you, Mom. It's the last day now.
Mom, where is Dad?
Your daddy should be around. He will be here as soon as he hears your voice.
Whose voice am I hearing?
Okay, your
Dad.
Your son is here.
Dad, I'm here.
How are you, my son?
I'm good, Dad. Good to see you, Dad.
How are you?
I'm good.
Good to see you.
I'm here with my fiancée,
Ooh.
Linda.
Fiance. How your fiance?
Oh, yes, Dad.
And who?
That's my friend, Abigail. The one-time mad woman, you know, I told you about. She's fine now and healthy, you can see.
Abigail.
Oh, yes, Abigail.
It's you. It's you.
Why is it so hard for you to make me breakfast before leaving for work? Melissa, why has it become a habit for you not to make me food every morning before I leave for work? What is your problem?
My problem is you. You, Desmond. You!
How?
How? You don't know?
I don't know.
Oh yeah, now, let's go inside.
Let's go inside and do what I don't get.
Are you not the man?
Full-blooded man? That's who I am.
Oh, shh. That means you're not the man. See, we need to go inside and make me pregnant.
Melissa, I'm running late for work and you said I should go inside and make you pregnant.
You are not going anywhere.
Melissa, this marriage is just new. Barely 2 years.
You are not going anywhere, Desmond.
Melissa, leave me alone. I'm late for work.
No.
Okay, wait. Wait, let me tell you something. Wait.
No, I will not.
Melissa, wait, let me make you a woman.
No. Come. Stupid man.
Useless woman.
Idiot man. You come back and meet me in this house. Very stupid, useless man.
Melissa! Melissa! Melissa!
Yes? Yes, ma'am.
Please, can I have the keys to the door?
Which key?
The key to the entrance door. I want to go out.
You want to go out?
Yes.
Okay. Nobody's going out today.
Melissa, are you being serious this morning? Because I'm not in here for your dramas. Please, I need the keys.
Very, very serious. Nobody is going out. You're going to do your own work today in this house.
Ha! Melissa, please. Just give me the keys. Let me go out.
There's no key.
Stop.
Stop. Desmond, stop.
Melissa, you're holding my shirt.
Let's go inside and do your own work.
Melissa, you're holding my shirt.
Yes.
Can you leave me alone?
No, I'm not. Let's go inside.
Melissa, I'll put my hand in there and take the keys and leave.
Try it.
I'm not the problem.
Desmond, try it.
Melissa, I'm not the cause of your childlessness. I'm not the problem here. It's you.
You are the one. Because you failed to be as a man. Desmond, we need a child in this house. I'm not giving you. Desmond, come on.
Melissa!
Today we are going to do our work in this house. Me and you.
Desmond, you need to go home. You can't stay here.
Sunday, there is no home for me. I have no place to go to. No place to call home.
Desmond, I don't understand. What do you mean by that?
Sunday, my wife has made my home so uncomfortable for me. It's been from one problem to another. One again. I'm so tired, Sunday. I'm so tired.
Desmond, I understand, but you don't need to be here. Yes, you need to go home.
I have no place to go to. Just get me a hotel where I can pass the night. I have a seminar tomorrow morning to attend to. Sunday, if I get home, my wife won't allow me to go for work tomorrow morning, so there's no point going home.
Alright, Desmond, that won't be a problem. But whatsoever you have with your wife, you just need to settle it. Let's go somewhere else. I have some place we can stay for the night.
Arrange a place for me. As you tell me, say get a better place. I beg package and we can use it.
Don't worry, let's go somewhere. Yes. Hurry up.
What's in there?
Yeah.
Your rooms are so nice.
I told you, you're gonna like them. Understand? You know, say when we don't marry, no know this updates. Now we with the street, now we know the whole areas, we find like this.
Today I must tell you, here is so nice. Like, the place is so nice.
See, and in case you don't know, they so have fine babes around. They'll just hook up you up for the night.
Today, you know I'm not cut out for all this now.
Oh, come on, Desmond, don't tell me that. You know how you've been complaining about your wife giving you issues lately. Just relax. Let me arrange you a babe that will service you this night. Okay? Just calm down.
That's a nice idea, but how do I go about it now?
Desmond, don't worry. The manager here is my guy. Do you understand? I'll talk to him. He's going to bring the girl. Okay?
I just spoiled it.
Desmond! Don't worry, I got your back. See, reception, give us the keys.
Come in. You must be Abigail.
Yes, sir. Are you Mr. Desmond?
Sure.
I want to sit here.
Here. No, feel free. Just stay on the bed. I'll sit here while you stay on the bed.
Okay.
Yeah. You are looking so beautiful, Abigail.
Thank you.
So they did a nice job. That's it.
Okay. Missy, I'm scared. Babe, I feel this semester. There's so much to pay in school and I don't even have money. It's not even as if I'm not working, no. But all my money goes into food. There's nothing there.
Babe, I understand, but you know my hands are tight now. I don't try for you.
No, you don't try. Like, Miss, you're like a sister to me. You've done so much. Like, sometimes I even imagine what my life would be without you. I couldn't die since.
See, I wish I could do more, but you know as it is now.
Ava, one man day for the night, who they give?
We dey game, but I would like make Abigail go. Yes, now you.
I cannot have sex with them.
Then when I conclude, when I meet me for office.
Why they talk like that now?
Why you talk like that?
I don't understand. This is coming on a platter of gold. See, all you need to do is go and meet the man, make him feel comfortable, and come out with your hands filled with cash.
Mercy, you know me, I cannot have sex for money. Don't roll like that.
Now my toto good to go for.
Fine girl,
you yes. Don't tell me vex. See, don't tell me that though. I'm not giving you shishi.
Relax.
If you don't go, I'm not giving you 5 naira.
Mercy, relax.
Abigail.
So wait.
But you know why you're here, right?
Yes.
So let's get down to business.
I've not done this before.
Abigail, there's always a first time for everything in life. Everyone has a first time to everything they do in life. So it's actually nothing. You can't do it. Let's just try.
So I'm still a virgin. I've not done this before.
Abigail, that's perfect. That's all I want. I just need a virgin girl. To make the sex so sweet. Okay.
So,
Abigail. Abigail, I'm very sorry for last night. This shouldn't have happened. I'm very, very sorry.
It's not your fault.
Abigail, I know. But I shouldn't have done what I did last night. I should have resisted you when you said no, that you are still a virgin. I shouldn't have taken advantage of you. Please, forgive me.
I don't think you're at fault. Look, I knew what I was getting myself into when I came here. And honestly, if not for my school fees, I don't think I'll even be in a position like this. If there's anybody to blame, I probably will blame myself.
Still, it's not justifiable. I should have resisted you when you said you were a virgin. I shouldn't have.
Mr. Dixon, just stop already. It's fine. Well, I'm an adult. We are both adults. It is what it is at the end of the day.
Can I have your account number? At least let me just send you some funds. You told me about your school.
Thank you very much.
Sure. So please call.
90.
Hey baby, what's up?
Good. How are you?
I'm good.
You look so good.
What's up? There's this rich man who's coming to town today.
Oh, okay.
I mean, he has money. I mean, good money.
I like the sound of that.
Seriously? So,
What's up now? What do you want me to do?
I would like you to arrange a babe for him for tonight.
Oh, come on. What about me?
Hey, come on. Don't you know you belong to me for a week?
Uh-huh.
Like that.
Okay. I have a friend of mine. I think I can recommend her for you.
Is she beautiful?
Of course, I don't follow ugly things.
Okay then. That's good.
Alright, so
Yeah.
get that done.
Okay.
Alright.
I love that. Can you shake that? Wow.
I got you. No worry, no worry. I know what they like. Okay, no problem. Alright now.
How far now?
Babe.
Better deal, ba?
Better deal day. Better deal.
That kind of thing I did. What's this one about now?
One big boy. He don't come into time. He say he want chop money. He said you need a girl for a weekend. And I recommended you as fine chick where you be, you know.
You recommended who?
You know.
Me?
Yes, now you be my person.
Why you do like this? Oh. But you know Mr. Desmond advised me to stop sleeping around.
Who be that? Is he your father?
But you know he gave me that amount of money and advised me to stop.
Oh. What is that? How much did he even give you that another person cannot give to you? Come babe, this is a big boy. He's here to spend his money. And you're here, darling. He can even give you more than what Mr. Desmond gave to you twice.
Are you serious?
I'm not joking now, trust me. He has money. Odogu silencer. What are you saying?
You give me more money than what Mr. Desmond.
Ego.
Yeah, who's there?
Hello.
Yeah.
Hi.
Come in. What's up?
Hey.
What's up, baby?
Come in.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Oh, I'm cool. I'm good.
Hello.
Hi.
What's
Hi.
up?
So what's the name?
Abigail.
Wow.
Nice meeting you.
She looks so fresh and sweet. Just like the way you said.
I told you.
So now, what do you think?
Sharp. 100.
Wow, that's great.
Okay, so I'm going to leave her in your care. I'm leaving. Baby
So
girl.
soon?
Yes, I have to. Don't worry, you're in safe hands, right?
Alright.
Good.
Be safe, babes.
Yeah.
Do have a seat.
Okay, my sis.
Thank you.
I'll catch you around.
Alright. So, I'll be off now and I really need you guys to take care of her.
You're going on?
Yeah, I have to. You know, I have to catch up with something.
Okay. Let me see you over there.
Okay, Mercy.
Alright. Take care, babes. Bye.
So how are you doing? Okay, Abigail. Feel at home, okay? Relax.
Thank you.
Let me just use the restroom briefly, okay?
Alright.
I'll be back shortly.
This girl bites me so bad. You shall know say I spoil this work.
Guy, I had to knock her out so that she won't know where we're taking her to.
The heat was too much, man.
I have no choice.
See, that heat affected her mentally. You were there when the Baba said it. She can't be used for ritual anymore because she is now mentally unstable. The heat was too much now. Now she's a waste product. We can't use her anymore.
Let's go and look for another girl.
But you will pay for it. Don't worry.
See, you don't just have to pay me.
Tunde, I still haven't been able to connect to her. I don't know where she is.
Desmond, you mean the girl you slept with the other day at the hotel?
Yes, Abigail. For months now, I have not heard from her. I can't reach her on the phone. Tunde, I'm worried.
Desmond, what about where she works and her friend?
Tunde, I've asked after her. I even went to the hotel where I met her the first time. But none of them knows where she is. Tunde, I'm just worried. I'm really worried.
But Desmond, you don't need to worry about this girl. I don't see why you bothered about her.
My guy, are you being serious now? This girl, I deflowered her. I took her virginity away from her. Today, I'm worried.
Desmond, you're funny here, you know. The last time I checked, this girl is not your father. or your mother. So you don't need to be bothered about her like this. Come on, she's just a hit and go.
She won't understand. She became my responsibility the moment I took her virginity away from her. I'm worried after her.
Desmond, be careful so that your wife won't hear this.
That's true. And speaking of my wife, I didn't tell you, she's pregnant.
What?
I'm going to be a father very soon.
Oh God, to God be the glory.
Today, let's cheers to a new baby coming.
Come on,
I'm going to be a father. No one I'm going to ask again.
Don't worry, this is called for a celebration. Barman!
Sorry. Sorry, Mrs. Sorry. Sorry. Doctor, how is my wife? How is my baby?
I'm sorry. We lost the child.
No! You're doing that! No!
Take it easy, okay? I'm sorry, okay?
Doctor, see. Please, can you just keep this to yourself? I don't want my wife to know of this. Because I can't bury two people the same day. I don't know how she's going to take it. She won't bear this. She has waited years for this child to come. No!
Mr. Desmond, you need to take it easy. Our staff will show you where the disease remaining is, okay?
No, God, no! Melissa, you suffered so much. Oh, where is my child? No! Babe,
Yes.
our son is still alive.
I don't understand.
Okay, so a miracle happened. As I was taking him to where I'll bury him, I heard him sneeze. Yes, he sneezed. So when I checked the carton and I found out that he's still alive.
Oh, thank you, Jesus.
Yes, the Lord is great. The Lord is great.
Thank you, Jesus.
Yeah.
Amazing.
They are cleaning up. So after they are done cleaning him, they'll bring him.
Thank you,
Yes.
Jesus.
Yes.
Mr. Desmond,
Yes, doctor.
I need you to tell me the truth. Where did you get the baby from?
What? The child is mine. He just woke up, doctor.
You think we are fools here? I delivered your wife of her child. And I'm certain that the child you brought back here is not yours. So are you going to tell me the truth or I involve the police?
Doctor, it has not gotten to that. I actually got the child from a mad woman on the street. Yes, as I'm about to bury my child and I happened to see a mad woman with a child, a living child by her side, so I had to take him in replacement of mine. Doctor, please, I wouldn't want my wife to know of this because for years she's been in search of a child. So I think this is the only thing that can make her happy. Please, can we keep this a secret? I can actually pay anything for it. Please, doctor.
In their own world, I know they make sense, so everything I do, I'm on a nonsense, so everywhere I go, I'm on a halfway, oh God, I don't lose my brain, and nobody fit tell my story. I'm lost, I'm trying to find my way. Child, oh God, I don't lose my brain, and nobody fit tell my story. I'm lost, I'm trying to find my way. Help me please, oh. I wanna find my way back to you. I wanna find my way. I wanna find my way. If you heal my brain, oh. I wanna find my way back to you. I wanna find my way to you. I wanna find my way. In their own world, I know they make sense, so everything I do, I'm on a nonsense, so everywhere I go, I'm on a halfway, oh God, I don't lose my brain, and nobody fit tell my story. I'm lost, I'm trying to find my way. Child, oh God, I don't lose my brain, and nobody fit tell my story. I'm lost, I'm trying to find my way. Help me please, oh. I wanna find my way back to you. I wanna find my way. I wanna in their own world, I know they make sense, so everything I do, I'm on a nonsense, so everywhere I go, I'm on a halfway, oh God, I don't lose my brain, and nobody fit tell my story. I'm lost, I'm trying to find my way. Child, oh God, I don't lose my brain, and nobody fit tell my story. I'm lost, I'm trying to find my way. Help me please, oh. I wanna find my way back to you. I wanna find my way. I wanna find my way.
don't understand. As in, the mad woman attacked you?
I'm telling you, I have never seen her that violent before.
That's horrible. Maybe you should just do well to avoid her completely.
No, maybe we should just call the police. Report her or something.
Police?
Yes.
For what? Okay, you're now going to go to, take the scenario. You go to the police station and you go like, I want to report a mad woman.
No, honey, look at it. It's not funny.
I understand how you feel. It's okay, sweetheart. You see, she's mad. Like you said. Hold on. She's mad and she can say anything. She has capacity to say anything. I would not be surprised if she wakes up tomorrow and calls herself the president.
So what are you trying to say? That she should claim our own son?
No. It's not possible. It's okay, sweetheart. It's okay. Melissa? Where is Jason, my son? Where is Jason?
Why? What? I was only having a nap with him and by the time I woke up, he was nowhere to be found. What happened?
Can you hear yourself? By the time you woke up, your own son was nowhere to be found in your house.
Honey, what's going on? Is Jesse missing?
Aliu!
Sir.
Where is my son?
Outside.
Did you hear that?
Honey, please excuse me. Let me find Jesse. Excuse me.
Listen to me, son. We, as in your mom and I, do not want you going near that woman ever again. You see that woman there? She's crazy. Her brain is not working. She's mad. And she's very dangerous.
Very.
Dad, she may be mad, but not dangerous.
So you are now in a position to counter what I know. Huh?
Dad, she's my friend.
Jason, you can't possibly make friends with a mad woman. She's mad.
Mom, I like her. She's calm and peaceful. I want to be her friend.
Jason.
Your son walked out on us. Are we being too harsh on him? Should we begin to indulge him from time to time? This boy I'm seeing here may start hating us.
I think we should just be letting him go see her once. Until this phase passes. You know, kids, sometimes they can be like that. What do you think? Are you saying?
I am sorry. Very, very sorry.
Hold on, Desmond. You mean to tell me that Jason here is not my son?
Ah!
No, now you can't do that to me. You can't possibly do that to me, right? Jason is my son. But why? Why did you do that to me? Why?
Dad, what are you talking about? What is going on here? Who is this woman to you, Dad?
She's your mother. Your biological mother.
Don't say that again. Don't say that again.
Dad.
I'm very, very sorry. I was desperate. I was desperate to give my wife a child.
You were what? You should have told me. You should have at least bring me in and know. You should have. Oh. And you made me believe. You made me believe all these years I was raising my own child.
So it's not a coincidence. Our blood matches.
No, it's not. Something kept attracting me to him. Something just kept dragging me to him.
Same thing. Same thing, I was so into you. But you're my real mother.
No! She is not! I am your real mother. I begot you. You are my own! I nurtured you! I breastfed you! Yes! This! You are my son!
Mom, you just need to understand. Mom, you're my mother. You will still remain my mother. It's hard to believe this, Mom. It's so hard to believe, but we just have to understand that Abigail is my biological mother. I mean, I can't even figure it out, Mom. Oh, Abigail, I'm glad I did what I had to do for you as a son.
No. My sister. I'm not here to take him away from you. He's your son. And you raised him like yours. With so much love. I just beg that you let me be a part of his life. Now that I'm better.
I feel connected.
He's your son.
Whenever you're around me, 'cause something stays inside me, and I feel this love around me. I feel connected. Whenever you're around me, 'cause something stays inside me. I feel this love around me. Something keeps on drawing me close to you. It's strong in my heart, and I don't know why. I always find myself thinking about you. Don't know why, but I know in my heart. Oh, you are like my morning sunshine, my evening moonlight. There's something strange about you. Oh, you are like my morning sunshine, my evening moonlight. There's something strange about you. Oh, I feel connected whenever you're around me, 'cause something stays inside